Okay, so let's go over this real quick. Windshield rubber trim, draft shaft bolts to the diff. We had this intake already. Nothing. Radiator hoses. This is for carbon gaskets. We're not using this style. New brake master. Big old oil filter, fuel filter. New rubber for the pedals. There's the intake and exhaust gasket. Radiator from eBay. I need new trim paint for our grill and stuff. And then oil pan and oil pickup over here. Yep. Also, this happened.
Ta-da!
What do you think?
These are sick.
So, we met up with the guy in about an hour or so north.
Yeah.
We picked up these wheels.
Got these wheels. We got this seat.
We actually got an OEM bench seat.
Then we got the floor carpet.
So we're actually missing this and the carpet thing.
What else did you get? Oh, he gave us that grill for free.
That's actually like a later model grill. We're not gonna be using it, but it's still nice. He threw it in for free.
It looks cool. Okay. What else? Did you get?
Yeah, door cards.
Oh yeah, door panels.
A bunch of these little insulation things.
Hey, he just threw it in for free. He's like, okay, sure, we'll take it. Whoa. That's a hooker, right?
The wheels came with these hubcaps. Says Ultra. Oh, these wheels are actually Rikens. R-I-K-E-N.
I think it's pronounced Riken.
Rikens?
Riken mesh. So they are legit JDM wheels. I had these same wheels on my old 86.
Dude, trying to find 6-lug wheels on like Marketplace?
Oh, it's hard.
Well, you can find like the stupid truck, Ricer truck boy
You
ones.
find like those stupid 20-inch wheels and stuff.
Those are dumb. We're not trying to do that here.
No.
So these are 15 by 7, I think, right?
Yeah, 15 by 7 plus 15, I want to say.
Pretty decent offset.
Not bad.
It fits pretty well with the line.
Yeah, it's a nice flush fit. Alright, what else do we get?
Oh, big brakes. We got the Spider-Man front big brake kit. You see it's red and blue.
Strange.
I'm not sure where this is from though, but it has a Nissan logo.
Oh yeah, that's Nissan, alright. So this is on his truck.
With these brackets, adapter brackets.
He had these brackets here, brand new rotors, brand new pads. We just got to get new lines, and it should be good to go.
Something in here? No.
Oh yeah, this is
Rear shoes.
rear brake shoes. Brand new, kind of rusty, but usable.
Yeah, so this dude he had a 620. He had plans to swap it. Never got around to it.
Yep.
So now it was just sitting there. He tried to sell the whole thing as a whole, but I guess nobody was interested. And now it's parting it out.
Yep.
And then we got to it first.
We were the first ones to get there, and man, we got all this good stuff. Like those stupid seats, you can't find those anywhere.
Yeah, I was really happy we got those seats actually.
Like we were actually thinking about like throwing in like you know, just like a regular car seat.
Yeah, I was looking at like stock car seats I could throw in.
Like we were actually thinking about getting prelude seats and throwing it in, but then we found these.
Okay.
What is that?
A lot of boys here. Making a scene.
Oh yeah, another thing we got was this clutch line right here.
Yeah, if you guys remember. Oh, this plastic. Okay, if you guys remember, we're missing a clutch hardline.
Yeah.
It was cut when we got it.
Yep, it was cut because the guys were planning to do a Ford V6 automatic swap.
So we picked this up from the guy up north also. We got a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
That guy kind of saved the build actually.
We got.
Well, not saved, but really helped.
Yes.
Hi, Sam.
Hi.
We'll talk to this guy later. I think that covers everything, huh?
It's like most of the major stuff. We got a lot of other little stuff, but
So today we should be able to get the engine in with the correct old pan setup.
yes.
We can get it. Here's, the engine has been on this cherry picker for like a week. Okay. So yep, bunch of parts to get it in. Bunch of parts from the part out guy up north.
Yep.
We're probably gonna see him again.
Oh yeah, we need.
The dude basically has like a whole truck and like a whole shed of parts.
What else do we need? We need to get the seat belts. We got to get the drive shaft. A lot of little things that we're just like finding out that we need for this truck.
Yeah.
So
We're kind of just going along and seeing what it needs. We didn't really look over the truck, I guess. Well, step one should be pretty easy, and we were almost there with the engine being in. So,
all right, let's get that oil pan on.
But I also have a drill too, so.
Sam,
Shiny,
what
shiny.
the heck?
What
Explain yourself. What the hell are those?
What?
What are those?
Some Workmeisters S1Rs.
Yeah, you just casually drop that?
Yeah, you know. The set of dream wheels.
Hey, you know what? I actually like those a lot more than versus these.
I don't know. I kind of like. I still like these on the car. It feels more. I don't know. It's just it's a deep dish on these. That's what it is. These have a deeper dish.
These aren't bad either.
They're not.
This is like only half an inch more.
It is. And those tires are probably easier to find than these tires.
Yeah.
We had to settle with some Achille brands.
I think they're decent, man.
They're a decent brand,
But these tires are super tiny.
they are.
It's like the sidewall is tiny. So we can do with these wheels now.
Well, probably gonna be rollers, or when I really want to just change up the look, swap them out. If not, just sell them. We'll see. I mean, definitely got better tires on it than it had before. What was
True.
it? 7-year-old tires on the other set. Oh, the
And they
old-
were bald.
yeah.
They were bald. And
One was bald. The other 3 were okay, but
they weren't like nice tires.
they were old. They were old.
Anyway, so
What's the specs on these?
people are gonna be asking you that question, man.
$5, please.
What? You charging Venmo prices for
Yep,
specs?
yep, secret spec. Not really though. But they fit on the Prelude. That's the biggest thing. As you can see, fitment's a lot better. There's no poke at all. Yeah.
Good job, Sam.
Yeah, hyper flashes, but it works.
Yeah, how come you don't got rear turn signals?
Huh?
You don't have a rear.
Yep, that's why you're hyper flashing.
It didn't go through.
Anyway, Sam got some plugs for his turn signal. Oh, okay. Figure that out. So anyways, we got the old pan on the L20. You see
Oh, man, look how
super slim
flat that
profile on the front to clear this guy.
is. Okay, you ready to throw it in?
Let's go. Would you look at that. Finally in.
How long did it take for us to get this in?
2 seconds. Actually, after the oil pan issue, we couldn't figure out why it wouldn't line up. So what we ended up doing was rotating the
motor mount.
The motor mounts, yeah.
Because we don't know how this thing was originally put together.
So we were having issues with the spacing where this stud was for the motor mount. It was just a little bit off, like a.
It was off by like an inch on both sides.
Yeah.
Like we can get one side in, but then the other side be off by an inch.
So we ended up flipping the mounts, which was we had to use a different hole now. See, we would have this hole with this bolt, but now we moved it like up.
Yes. So finally, it is in. Oh my god, I feel like we're making some progress now.
And we did with the gold valve cover.
This actually looks really good.
Gold valve cover against the black engine bay. What do you guys think? It's gonna be a shame having this go over.
Oh yeah.
We might have to get some different plugs.
Might have to get a little lonely driver crane next.
Oh man.
So yeah, engine is tilted back right now just because the transmission is not on there right now.
Yeah, we can like rock
Yeah.
it forward. So.
Yeah, it should sit something like that. But we don't have the transmission on yet, which is it's sitting right here.
Transits here, we have to use the different cross member, which we have, so we have to swap that over. No big deal. And then we'll need a drive shaft.
Drive shaft. Okay. Started out as a shell.
Start at the shell, we got wheels and engines in here, we got seats.
You got a seat? Oh man.
I don't know, I'm really excited about the seat. I just really like it.
Like, well, it's because like you can actually sit in the car and like kind of imagine what it's gonna be like to drive it, you know?
That's probably what it is.
Oh yeah, so with that thing finally in there, you can get this stuff on. Look at that. So we can finally start assembling the front end. I saw you painting a grill earlier.
Oh yeah. The grill was all nasty and gray.
I know gray is the OEM color, but I think black will look so much better.
Gray looks unfinished. See, like, that's gray. Oh, black looks better. So you put that back on, I guess. Radiators over there, we can put that on. We got coolant hoses, or radiator hoses. It's coming along. We're getting somewhere now.
It's been like what? It's been like 2 weeks
The
since
engine was like the biggest thing.
yeah, this thing was.
The engine was like, what the heck's wrong with the engine?
We thought like stuff was bent or something, or we got the wrong parts. It's hard to put together when like you've never worked on one of these before.
Yeah, I never like ever seen
and
one.
We weren't the ones that took it apart.
Yeah, we didn't take it apart. We never seen one. Like, well, we never looked closely at one,
Yeah.
and we didn't take it apart, so we don't like how does it go back together. It's just a little bit of figuring out. Man, thankfully someone had an oil pan on eBay.
Yeah, they're hard to find. It's like one of those things where you gotta know a guy that knows a
Yeah.
guy.
Pretty much. Which we do happen to know a guy. It was like a plan B.
Yeah.
Or, yeah. Wow, it looks, it's in. It's crazy.
So
We got an engine that was supposed to be in here
Oh yeah.
in the car. I mean, L20, but still.
So next step's transmission, huh?
Transmission, hook everything up. Should I give it a test fire?
Then once that transmission's in, we can start putting the manifolds on.
Yeah.
You know, all the little stuff that makes it run.
That's it. So that's on the next video. Bye.
Okay, bye.